Basically, I have a parts ordering disorder. If I see something on sale or I get a coupon, I have to buy it. So I bought this. Do I really need it? Probably not. Did I get it? Yep. Is it going on the car? Yep. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we are working on the wide body Fiero. We got it cleaned up yesterday. Daughter helped me. You missed a spot.
Where?
Most of the car.
Where? Here? Oh, last week I didn't get these. When you were cleaning up the V&W, I think.
It's been sitting in the barn all winter, so it was dusty and wanted to get out, clean it up, get insurance on it. I'm gonna start driving it again this summer. So today's video, we are going to be installing this throttle body spacer from ZZP Performance on the 3800. This is supposed to help keep the air charge cool, keep the throttle body cool. Basically, I have a parts ordering disorder. If I see something on sale or I get a coupon, I have to buy it. So I bought this. Do I really need it? Probably not. Did I get it? Yep. Is it going on the car? Yep. That's today's project. Let's get the deck lid popped and let's get on it. All right, so here we have the contents of the throttle body spacer kit. This is the actual machined spacer or 3D printed, I'm not sure which. It's plastic. It comes with 3 longer studs and it comes with 2 gaskets. One for the supercharger side, one for the throttle body side. Supposedly these are updated, thicker, better gasket compared to the factory gasket. These are also larger size to work with ZZP's bored out throttle body, which my plan here in the future with this car is to build an engine for this. This engine's got 220,000 miles on it and it's pretty much stock. I went through and resealed it when I put it in the car, and we have a smaller supercharger pulley and headers and stuff like that on it. Basically just seeing what we can do with this engine now. Stock, I'm sure I'm gonna blow it up. I'm not scared to blow it up. And when we do that, we're going to find a lower mileage one. We're going to build it. We will do a camshaft, double roller timing chain, intercooler setup on the supercharger, larger throttle body, all that stuff. See what we can do with that, and then eventually might go turbo. But for now, we're going to roll the stock 3800 with 220,000 miles on it. This car is also mated to the 410 84 Fiero 4-speed manual transmission. So really, it's just a competition to see which one can last longer, the 4-speed transmission or the 220,000 mile 3800. My money is on the engine. I'm sure that'll last longer than the transmission, especially since we want to go to the drag strip here this year and see what this thing runs in the quarter mile. I'd like to do some autocross and stuff like that with it this year. Hot Rod Power Tour is in August. I really want to try to do that this year, and I probably take this car. I don't know, maybe I'll take the red Fiero. That's not going anywhere. That's not going anywhere. So anyway, back to what we're doing here. So the throttle body spacer goes on between the throttle body, which is here, and the supercharger, which is here. So I need to get my intake tube off of the throttle body, unplug the electrical connectors on the throttle body, and then there's 3 bolts, 2 on the bottom, 1 on this side, 1 on the other side, and then this up here, this nut that hold the throttle body on. We can take that off, remove those 3 studs, put the 3 longer ones in, and then we'll put a gasket on against supercharger, throttle body spacer, gasket, throttle body, tighten it all back up. We're good to go. So let's get on that. My hope here too is we're spacing it out a little more, and you can see that my clamp here kind of rubs when the deck lid's closed. My air filter sits up behind this over the roof scoop. So hopefully with spacing this out a little bit, maybe I can reposition things and have these clamps so they don't rub, because you can hear them at idle sometimes. You can hear them make some noise. I'd love to get rid of that. So let's get going on taking this apart. All right, so there you have it. You can see it there. Right in between the throttle and supercharger. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. So that is installing a ZZ Performance throttle body spacer on a 3800. In our next video, we will be installing an Innovative Motorsports wideband oxygen sensor gauge readout deal on the 3800, because right now I just have a narrow band on there, and it'd be nice to actually know where our air-fuel ratio is at. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, share the channel with your friends, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.